everyone สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to my Spotilicious channel again จัดจัดจัดจัด Today we're gonna cook a common Thai dish that people around the world who come to Thailand must try. It's salty, and a bit spicy. Thai people also love it. It's like a Thai fast food. This dish is called Pad-Gra-Prao. There are only a few main ingredients: Holy Basil, chilies, some meat, and garlic. But if you like to see more in details, here it is. All the ingredients. Now it's time to cook. First, I'm gonna crush and mince 3 to 5 cloves of garlic. Then crushed 3 to 6 chilies. Mix them with some black pepper and salt. Next up, get a medium saute pan on medium to high heat and add some olive oil. Saute garlic, chilies, and your black pepper. And then you're gonna toss some minced beef into the pan and fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes. But if you don't like eating beef, you can put seafood or pork or chicken instead into this dish. Add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or fish sauce, and add a 1/4 cup of water. Alright, so I'll let everything cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on high heat, and then let the sauce simmer for maybe more than a half, and we're gonna have a beautiful thick consistency to it. Now it's time to add some holy basil. Give them a few flips just to generously cover them by this spicy rich sauce. And then it's time to plate this up. So what I recommend when plating this dish is trying to get this Pad-Gra-Prao on the left or the right side of your steamed rice, and add a fried egg on top of it, or in my case, a half moon fried egg on the other side of the plate. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Good or bad, I don't mind. Please subscribe, click like,